Students, now we'll be learning triangles. Triangle, the basic aspects of the triangle you might have gone through the previous video, the last year video. In fact, what are the types of triangles and all are there that you have come to. Now we'll do some of the sums from this exercise. Exercise 5. I have taken question number 4. Question number 4 says to you which of the sets can be the three angles of a triangle. Let me tell you. See, sum of all the three angles of a triangle, that means interior angle of a triangle, has to be 180 degree. See, it can be degree and minute, then other one also can be degree minute, and then altogether summation has to be 180 degree. It cannot be 1 degree more, it cannot be 1 degree less. It cannot be even 1 minute less or 1 second less also. Summation has to be 180 degree together. So just see, similarly, sum of the two sides of a triangle has to be greater than the third side. Then only it can form a triangle. So let us see all the measures of the triangle of three angles given to you. Here I have taken question number 4 under 4, second one 60 degree, 70 degree and 80 degree. See the summation of it. What we have done in the solution, 60 plus 70 plus 80 is equal to 210 degree. Is it equal to 180 degree? No. Therefore, this all angles measurements is not the angles of a triangle. So these sets are not the set of a triangle. To understand, these angle sets are not the set of a triangle. Now see another example. Third one I have taken 70 degree, 40 degree and 70 degree. You do the summation, 70 degree plus 40 plus 70 is equal to 180 degree. This is 180 degree. Therefore, these angle sets are the set of a triangle. Do you understand? That means this can tell me what type of triangle is this? 70 degree, 70 degree and 40 degree. Obviously, it will be an isosceles triangle. To understand, two angles equal or two sides equal. Two angles equal means two sides will be equal. You understand? So this is an isosceles. This is of course a set of a triangle. Moving on to question number 5. Find the unknown angles. Very simple. Based on the property that sum of all the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. All three angles together has to be 180 degree. Here a triangle is say A minus C is given to 35 degree. But A is given to 85 degree, then C is very simple. 85 minus 35, so C angle will be A angle is given to 85 degree, A minus C is given to 35 degree, therefore C angle will be 85 minus 35, that is 50 degree. Got it? Now A and B and C together will be 180 degree, therefore A is given to you 85 degree, angle C is given to you 50, C you got it 50 degree. Now B will be 180 minus sum of 85 and 50. So 85 and 50 together it will be 135. So 180 minus 130 is 45 degree. So B will be 45 degree. So say B 45 degree and C will become 50 degree. That will be the answer. Very simple aspect. Based on the property, sum of all the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. That's all. Now moving on to question number 6. Some of the figure is given to you and you have to find out the value of the unknown angle as x or xy, something like that. X is given to you. You have to find out the value of x. Here is a triangle given to you and exterior of the angle also given to you. See one property, exterior angle of a triangle, any time, any angle, any side is extended. This is exterior angle. So this angle measurement will be equal to this two. If you add this two, it will become equal to that. To understand, similarly, if you exchange other side also, this exterior angle will be equal to this two. To understand, this exterior angle will be equal to this two. So opposite interior angle. So exterior angle is equal to the sum of the opposite interior angles. That's the property. So in this case, 120 is given to you. So what is the value of x? 120 is equal to x plus 30 degree. That is what? X plus 30 degree is equal to 120 degree. You have written down the law. an exterior angle of a triangle, this triangle symbol means triangle, is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angles. Okay, that should be the property. Then I find out the value x plus x, 2x plus 30 degree is equal to 120, 2x is equal to 120 minus 30 degree, 2x is equal to, if you do the subtraction, it will become 90 degree. So x is equal to 90 divided by 2, 45 degree. X value got it. This figure is solved. X value got it. Now moving on to this figure, second figure, what you need to do now, from the question you draw the figure roughly and give the vertex name. This vertex is called A, this vertex is B, this vertex is C. Okay, so ABC is a triangle now. Can you find, see, if take any of this angle given to exterior given to this angle will be what? Linear pair angle. So A you can find out, BAC you can find out, or this exterior is given to you, angle CAB also you can find out. So what you have done? So angle BAC, I have taken out this figure, this angle. BAC will be what? This plus, it will be 180 minus 100 degree because they are linear pair angle, that logic you have written down. So BAC is equal to 80 degree. This angle become 80 degree. Now this angle again, see, based on this angle you can find it out at interior angle as 180 minus 30-50 degree. So this is 80 degree, this is 50 degree. X value you can find out from, subtracting from 180 degree the sum of these two. But what you have done, exterior angle property you have gone. Exterior angle is equal to 130 degree is equal to sum of these two. That means this is 80 degree, this is x degree. X degree plus 80 degree is equal to 130 degree. The same law, therefore x will become 130 minus 80, that is 50 degree. Is not it? You have gone for the exterior angle property. Okay. Now I hope you have understood it. Things are very simple. Now question number 7, x and y you have to find out where D is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC given to you. You have to find out the value of x at this particular angle and this particular angle, x and y. And here it is given to you 55 degree. If the parallel angles property go, see, this is parallel to this is parallel to this, and this is the transversal. Suppose AB is the transversal. Is not these two parallel? Is not this angle and this angle has got a relation? Yes, they have got a relation. They are alternate angle. So y is alternate to 55 degree. So what you have to write down? Angle BC, line BC is parallel to DE, comma BAD is given to you. BAD is given to you 55 degree. For triangle ABC, BC is equal to AC, that is also given. These two sides are also given. So it's an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, equal side, opposite angle will be called as base angle, and base angles are equal. For any isosceles triangle, suppose these two are isosceles triangle, these two are equal side, these two are called base angle, this is called vertical angle. Base angles are always equal. To understand, for this triangle, these two angles are equal. So y you have already got. BAD is given to you, ABC, this one. Y is equal to 55 degree because alternate angles are equal. That is checked. Here these two angles are equal, so y is equal to 55 degree. Okay. Now BAC is equal to y. BAC is equal to y because the base angles of an isosceles triangle. These two angles are equal. I said no. Base angle this side is equal to this side. That means these two are base angle and base angle of an isosceles triangle are equal. Why you found it is 55 degree, so this angle also will be 55. X is very simple, 180 minus 55 plus 55. That is what your done is. X is equal to 180 minus 55 plus 55. X is equal to 180 minus 110 if you do it, and 70 degree. It's a very simple. You have to write down why base angles are equal. That logic right down. Now moving on to question number 8, it is very again the simple sums I have taken. You have to find the side of each lettered angle. Means you have to find out the magnitude of the lettered angle. Means here x and y you have to find out. In this case also x and y. I have taken the first one given to you with the figure. You have to understand. This is a sign means what? This type of sign is given to you. Means what? This side is equal to this side. If this is the sign given to you, means what? This line is parallel to this line. That you have to understand by this line. So this is this figure is given to you. You have to find out x and y. You draw the figure given and name this three vertex. That is what you have done. Drawn the figure. Name this what is A, B and C. This triangle what you have taken. So what 50 degree is equal to y plus 30 degree. 50 degree is the external angle. See this triangle is small triangle. You see this triangle. You see that scalene triangle. You see that triangle. This is exterior angle. So 50 degree is equal to these two angle. No, because exterior angle is equal to the sum of the opposite two interior angles. That is what you have done it. So 50 degree is equal to y plus 30 degree. Is exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of the two opposite interior angles. That property you have written. So y will become how much? 50 minus 30. So y 30 comes this side. So 50 minus 30. Y is equal to 20 degree. Now this particular opening, this particular opening is 20 degree. You got it. Y got it. Given for this triangle, these two are equal. AB is equal to AC given to you. This AB is equal to AC or given to you. That and this angle is given to 50 degree. Therefore, this angle also will be 50 degree because this base angle. So ACB is equal to 50 degree. There BAC. Therefore, BAC. This angle BAC. This angle will be how much? You take out BAC will be 180 minus 50 plus 50. This 50, this is 50, and this will be 180 minus 50 plus 50 because the sum of all the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree based on that property. So this angle becomes 80 degree. This angle is 80 degree, and then you have to find out x. And here you have got 20 degree x on a line. Three angles are there. No, this one is x. This is 80 degree. This is 20 degree. X will be what? X will be 180 minus sum of 20 plus 80 degree. That is what x is equal to 180 minus 20 plus 80 degree. X is equal to 80 degree. 180 minus 100 degree became. So x is equal to 80 degree. You have to write down the logic. There is no space. I have not written. You have to write down the logic as all the angles on a straight line. The summation will be 180 degree. That logic you write down. So you have got x, y is equal to 20 degree and x is equal to 80 degree. Now moving on to this, given to you this angle, see BAC total, this angle is 90 degree. Total this angle is 90 degree. This angle is also 90 degree. Obviously this angle will be 90 degree. Perpendicular makes both the sides 90 degree. No? So that is what. So this is given to you 40 degree. See, this is 90 degree obviously. This is 40 degree. This will be what? That is DAB will be what? DAB will be definitely 180 minus 40 plus 90. That is what A or ABC is equal to 90 degree given and ACB is equal to 40 degree. Therefore CAB this particular angle is equal to 180 minus 90 plus 40. That is equal to 50 degree. You got 50 degree. Here you got 50 degree now. 50 degree what? Now this is 50 degree. The total is 90 degrees. Therefore x will become what? X plus CAB is equal to 90 degree. Given to you, so x will be 90 minus 50, that is 40 degree. So x value got it as 40 degree. This is 50 degree came and this is 40 degree. Now see y. See y can be the exterior angle of this triangle. So this is 90 degree already because other side is perpendicular. This side also will be perpendicular. So summation of these two will become y, isn't it? Because exterior angle is equal to sum of the opposite two interior angle. That is what you have done it. See, ADB is equal to 90 degree. By the figure it is given, and BAD is equal to 40 degree. Got it? Therefore, y is equal to 90 plus 40 degree is equal to 130 degree. Logic is exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angles. So y will become 130 degree. Things are very simple. Other sums I will cover in the next video.